Guys, I'm going to show you my Wolf Pet Shop's fairies. Okay, here's one of them. Let's get started. Look. Just so you know, it does not glow. There's a hole. Here's my second one. Just so you know, it does not glow. Here's my next one. And it glows. I'll show you. Now I'll show you. Come on. Somewhere dark. Dark. It doesn't really work anymore. But oh well. First of all, it does not have a bobbly head. Okay, here's my other one. Okay. Really cute fairy. This looks like it's without the wings. It looks like a dinosaur. I got this really cute fairy. I really love it. And here's my other one. Okay, you wouldn't see it. Look, it's the LPS sign. Here's one. Oh. There's the LPS sign. This doesn't. This is the Fairy Empress. A lot of people don't like these because they don't have bobbly heads. Their legs are a lot of people don't like these because they do not have bobbly heads. LPS are supposed to have bobbly heads. This is a Wolf Pet Shop fairy. I love fairies. Look, they glow. You do that forever and ever until you get bored. So that's pretty much of my review.